Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to earn money promoting trendy fashion without holding inventory? In this video, I will show you how to join SHEIN's affiliate program, start sharing links, and earn commissions, even if you are just getting started online. What is the SHEIN affiliate program? SHEIN is affiliate program lets you earn a commission every time someone buys from your affiliate link. It's great for fashion bloggers, mm, TikTok creators, or even casual users with an audience. Here's what you get: up to 20% commission, real-time tracking dashboard, access to banners, product links, and coupons, monthly payouts via PayPal or bank transfer. Now, how to sign up? To join, head over to us.shein.com/affiliate or sign up through impact.com. Shein's affiliate network. Create an impact account. Click on Get Started Now button. Then choose the subscription plan like Starter, Essential, Pro, Enterprise. Search for Shein and click Apply like that. Fill in your website or social media details. Choose your promotion methods like blog, YouTube, TikTok, etc. Submit the application. Wait for approval, usually 20 uh, within 2 to 3 days. Now getting your affiliate links. Once approved, go to your impact dashboard. Or now click on sign up button, then enter your email, enter your first and last name, create a username, and click password, set a password. Also enter a number. I will use a temporary number for this website. Paste here, then click continue. Enter the code from your mobile number. Now, once approved, go to Impact Dashboard, click on the SHEIN program. Use the link generator to create affiliate links to specific products or categories. You can also access promo, banners, seasonal coupons, and custom short links. These are the links you will share on your blog, bio, or video description. Here are some great places to share your SHEIN affiliate links like Instagram bio and stories. TikTok captions are link tree. Pinterest pins with outfit inspo. Fashion haul YouTube videos. Style blog, articles, or gift guides. Make sure to add proper disclosure like this with post. This post contains affiliate links to stay compliant. Want to increase your earnings? Share discount codes regularly, they convert better. Create style guides like 5 ways to wear one dress. Use email lists or community groups. Stay on trend with Shane's latest drops. Always use your affiliate link, not just regular product links. Impact lets you track clicks, sales, commissions in real time. Payments are made monthly via PayPal or direct deposit. Once you reach the payout threshold, usually 10 to 15 $50 depending on your region. And that's how to get started with the SHEIN affiliate program. If you love fashion and want to turn your style into income, this is a great place to begin. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment I am in. You are if you are ready to join. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.